Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan shrimp. We'll dive straight into the exciting world of plant-based seafood, exploring the essential components that give vegan shrimp its authentic bite and taste. You'll learn the straightforward process, from preparing your ingredients to the final cooking, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this innovative and compassionate dish. The secret to amazing vegan shrimp lies in the right ingredients. King oyster mushrooms are your star, offering a firm, meaty texture when sliced into 1-inch pieces. For that unmistakable ocean essence, incorporate finely chopped nori sheets. A blend of Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, and paprika will elevate the flavor profile. Marinate these components in a mixture of soy sauce, fresh lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil for at least 30 minutes to infuse deep taste. Once marinated, it's time to give your mushrooms that classic shrimp appearance. Gently score the rounded side of each mushroom piece with a small knife to create those familiar segments. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Carefully place your vegan shrimp in the hot pan, cooking them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy texture. This step is crucial for both presentation and taste. Your delicious vegan shrimp are now ready to be enjoyed. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped parsley will brighten their flavors. For dipping, a classic cocktail sauce or a zesty sriracha mayonnaise works wonderfully. These versatile plant-based delights are perfect in tacos, tossed with pasta, or served as a delightful appetizer. Don't forget to garnish with fresh cilantro or a lime wedge for that extra touch of culinary artistry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.